The human body is more than just physical. It's an energetic system made up of energy centers that influence our health, emotions, and spiritual well-being. These energy centers, often referred to as chakras, act as vibrational hubs, regulating the flow of energy throughout your body. When they are balanced, you feel aligned, vibrant, and empowered. When blocked, they can lead to emotional, physical, and mental imbalances. Let's explore each energy center, its purpose, and how to activate and balance it. The 7 major energy centers and their meanings. 1. Root energy center, Muladhara. Foundation and stability location, base of the spine. Purpose, grounding, survival, security, stability. Blocked by fear, insecurity, instability. Balance, with grounding exercises, walking barefoot, nature. Red foods, beets, tomatoes, strawberries. Affirmation, I am safe, I am secure, I am grounded. 2. Sacral energy center, Svadhisthana. Creativity and passion. Location, below the navel. Purpose, emotional flow, pleasure, sensuality, creativity. Blocked by guilt, suppressed emotions, lack of creativity. Balance, with water-based activities, swimming baths, orange foods, oranges, mangoes, carrots. Affirmation, I embrace my creativity and passion. 3. Solar plexus energy center, Manipura, confidence and power. Location, upper abdomen. Purpose, self-esteem, personal power, willpower. Blocked by shame, self-doubt, fear of judgment, balance, with core strengthening. Exercises, yoga, breathwork. Yellow foods, bananas, corn, turmeric. Affirmation, I am strong, confident, and capable. 4. Heart energy center, Anahata. Love and compassion. Location, center of the chest. Purpose, unconditional love, empathy, emotional healing. Blocked by grief, resentment, heartbreak. Balance, with heart-opening exercises. Deep breathing, gratitude. Green foods, leafy greens, avocado, cucumber. Affirmation, I give and receive love freely. 5. Throat energy center, Vishuddha, expression and truth location. Throat purpose, communication, self-expression, authenticity. Blocked by fear of speaking up, lies, suppressing emotions. Balance with singing, chanting. Journaling, blue foods, blueberries, herbal teas. Affirmation, I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. 6. Third eye energy center, Ajna, intuition and insight. Location, between the eyebrows. Purpose, inner wisdom, spiritual awareness, intuition. Blocked by overthinking, doubt, illusion. Balance, with meditation, visualization. Mindfulness, purple foods, grapes, eggplant, lavender tea. Affirmation, I trust my intuition and inner guidance. 7. Crown energy center, Sahasrara. Connection to the divine location, top of the head. Purpose, spiritual enlightenment, connection to higher consciousness. Blocked by disconnection, lack of purpose, ego attachment. Balance with prayer, meditation, silence. White and violet foods, coconut, mushrooms, herbal teas. Affirmation, I am connected to the universe and my higher self. How to align and balance your energy centers. Meditation and breathwork. Focus on each energy center with deep breathing. Affirmations. Speak positive mantras that activate each energy center. Color therapy. Surround yourself with the colors that correspond to each center. Sound frequencies. Listen to healing frequencies like 528 heart, 639 hertz, relationships, or 432 hertz, universal harmony. Yoga and movement. Engage in body movements that open each energy center. Your energy is your power. Your energy centers are the key to your emotional, physical, and spiritual health. When they are balanced, you feel grounded, vibrant, and in flow. When blocked, life can feel stagnant, stressful, or disconnected. By working with these energy centers daily, you can align with your highest self and live in full harmony. What energy center do you feel needs balancing today? Let me know in the comments.